wash your fucking hair, man.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Alright, so the majority of you guys that's gonna be watching this video are gonna have one question in mind, and that's how do I get free-form dreads? How do I keep my free-form dreads clean? How do I keep them, you know, crispy, good looking, and not, you know, messy and dirty? So if that sounds like you, man, make sure you watch to the end of the video, because I'm gonna show you one, how to actually start free-form dreads the proper way. And lastly, I'm gonna show you guys 3 simple tips on how to achieve amazing results without doing much. These are 3 simple tips. It's not rocket science. I'm gonna be showing you something that's been working for me. It's really not rocket science, you know? Quick disclaimer before I get into the video, man. Just because it worked for me does not mean it worked for you. First things first is, how do you start free-form dreads? How do you start your journey? This is an exciting journey that you're about to embark. You know, you have to start the right way. You have to start the right way. With anything, man, you have to have a good foundation so that, you know, in the future, you know, you don't look back and be like, damn, I should have started this way, or I should have did this differently. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna wanna go to Walmart and buy a sponge. Every time you get out of the shower, just, I don't know what the fuck that shit is called, just wave it around. Do that until your hair separates into its own sections, and those sections will eventually become the dreads, you know, that come out. You know what I'm saying? You have to be consistent with this, because, you know, if you're not consistent, nothing will ever, you know. So after you build a foundation, it's literally not that hard from here. It's free-form dreads are all about free-forming, meaning you're not manipulating your hair too much. You're not putting in fucking beeswax and shit. I don't know why people do that, but free-form dreads are all about letting your hair do what it wants. So that means minimal manipulation, little product use, and literally playing the waiting game. This is a waiting game. With anything good in life, it is a waiting game. You have to be patient, you have to be persistent, you have to be consistent. So here are my 3 top advice for, you know, maintaining your hair. So the number 1 advice that I will give is wash your goddamn hair. Wash your hair, man. I can't stress this enough. I used to watch dread videos back when I was starting out, and one thing that like most of the YouTubers always said was,
don't wash your hair. You want to, you know, lay your hair dread up before you start washing it.
No. That's dirty as f. You need to wash your hair. Think about it. The process of dreading is literally your hair intermingling and interconnecting and intergalactic. So when you wash your hair,
not only are you physically helping out in that process, but you're also getting rid of all the dirt and dandruff that's been stuck all on your scalp and all in between your dreads.
Number 2, moisturize your hair. You want to put some oils in your hair, you want to put some whatever conditioner you want, but just don't overdo it with products. Pick one product that works for you and just ride it all through the end, man. Don't switch up products. That's how you get build up, and that's how you fucking get those crusty ass dreads that look tough as fuck. You know, you don't want that, man. Now the final and most important advice that I would give to freeform dreads is, don't twist your hair. Don't be one of those guys who are always, you know, fucking twisting their hair. Don't be that guy. I know it's hard. I've been there, when you just can't fucking resist, but you have to understand, this journey is something different. It's not something to play with. If you want freeform dreads, you cannot twist your dreads. The whole idea of freeform dreads is letting your hair freely grow out. That's how you achieve truly, purely freeform dreads. Alright, y'all, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, man. I hope this video helped you out. I hope I said something, you know, that sparked that little, you know, brain cell to kind of be like, oh, I got an idea. This is how I can change my routine and kind of achieve this look that I'm trying to get. I hope I helped you out today, man. So just to reinstate what I've said in this video is, 1, wash your goddamn hair, man. That's important. Number 2, moisturize your hair. And third of all is that don't touch your hair. Don't over manipulate your hair. Let your hair be free. Don't touch your hair. That's it, man. If you follow those 3 simple advice, you can get freeform dreads. You can even get up to my level, bro. I swear to God, man. I swear. So yeah, man, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, you know, leave a comment, turn your notifications on so that you get notified whenever I post new videos, man. I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Make sure you guys have a good day, man. Get this money, man. Work on what you want to work on, man. Don't let nobody tell you can't do something. You can fucking do whatever you want, man. That's coming from the heart, bro.